See, there are three things why this 4-month period is the most important one. Yeah. What do toppers do and what you guys miss is, one, in this 4-month period, the first thing is notes consolidation. Okay. So you will be having expector notes. So before starting every topic, I will again explain it over the notes also. So you just consolidate it. You just read it thoroughly, highlight it there itself, prepare your short notes. Okay, first. Second, the brainstorming. So you have to go through the PYQs to understand what kind of question they ask. Okay, you have to go into the mindset of the UPSC. You get to tackle these questions. What kind of question that they can ask? Suppose you had the question on the poverty and hunger. Okay, so how they can ask or frame these questions. So they can link poverty and hunger to this human development. Every year you have the question on inclusive growth. If you see the question in 2018, the question was on access to energy, access to this quality and affordable energy is precondition for the inclusive growth. That means they have linked energy to inclusive growth. Based upon that, they can link infrastructure to inclusive growth. And this year they have linked inclusive growth with, इसे link किया था, we have discussed that question. Public expenditure, social services. But that's how you go do the brainstorming. Only thing, because we have done this brainstorming and prepared the micro themes, only because of this we have the hit ratio. Okay. This thing we will be doing through the PYQ analysis. Okay. Third is practice. Trust me, whatever you will be writing it during this period only. 3 के बाद don't expect you will be able to attempt more than 8 tests of the GS. Like 60% of your time after the prelims will go to the optional only. कोई भी optional हो आपकी master भी क्यों हो, most of the practice will be done during this period only. Okay, focus on these 3 things in the next 4 months. Okay, job.